room all together. This is where we are displaying LG Electronics products. You can find almost every single product that we are manufacturing from this LG Electronics. To enter this store, we use a special security system, which is iris recognition. This machine is one of the products from Business Solutions company of LG. So we don't use any cards or keys. We use our eyes to open this door. So let me demonstrate first. Okay. Okay.
Nice.
It's like a movie, right?
Yeah.
Okay, the door will be closed soon, so please come inside. Okay, please. I'd like you to have attention on those three products on your very left. Those three are the oldest products of LG Electronics. The very left one is world's first CDMA handset. Was made in 1996. And then the one next is Korea's first radio, which is the first product of LG Electronics. It was made in 1959. That time, as I mentioned before, our company name was Gold Star. So you can see the logo on top of the left top. And the one below is Korea's first black and white TV. So most of Korea's first electronic products have been made